My name is Theron Louw. I am an architect turned sculptor and I live in Somerset West, South Africa. I absolutely have a passion for metals, and I think that comes from my profession and having worked with materials like that for so long. I do a number of sculptures, but generally love the most to work in stainless steel and mild steel and do all the welding myself. When welding, one always ends up, especially with stainless steel, having to clean, and the process is very long and laborious and not very environmentally friendly. And since discovering the TIG Brush, I'm saving myself so much time in cleaning my sculptures after welding, as well as maintaining them to look beautiful through time. A lot of my sculptures are positioned close to the ocean and are therefore exposed to a very harsh climate, and have been showing a lot of tea staining, especially on the stainless steel sculptures. And the TIG brush is incredible in cleaning off and just maintaining your sculptures as well.